welcome back to the H game. We here, me and Mz.Gums, Miss Yummy Gummy. We back with another freaking day. So today, me and Mz.Gums, me and Miss Yummy Gummy, has been called out to see who can do the burping contest, who can burp the most. How you feel about that, Miss Yummy Gummy?
Miss Yummy Gummy is always ready. You believe that?
No. You gonna lose today.
No, kind of way. I'm not gonna even talk on that.
Let me tell y'all, her soulmate, the little short Yummy, ain't no competition like me. I'm a real competition.
You ain't no competition.
I'm the big reverend. I'm cut like that, man.
I am Mz.Gums, and all my fans are depending on me, and Mz.Gums is coming to you, whether they come from the mouth or the other.
Whoa, the other? What's the other, man?
I'm a burp from both ends.
Oh, no.
Wherever's a hole, it's coming out. You believe that?
Whoa.
It's coming out wherever's a hole. It's in my ear hole, my nose hole, my mouth hole, or my booty hole.
Oh, my God.
Hey, we not talking about the booty hole.
Okay, well, it's going to come out.
Let's get into the
I feel it. I feel it. Okay, the thumbnail.
Then.
The thumbnail.
Yeah, let's do this thumbnail then. Trying to be the neighborhood. Hey, you trying to be the? I got some paper towels for you.
My gums is the paper towel.
You be the neighborhood. You trying to be the neighborhood hero?
I am the hero. Miss Cleo is gonna be a hero.
Let's get into this challenge then.
I'm waiting on you.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I got me a chicken on a stick, you know.
Ooh.
Okay, good gummy.
Oh, it came from both ends. I'm sorry about that. Sorry, friends. It came. I told y'all it was coming from both ends. Oh, Lord, my belly sweating up this coat. This coat. Ooh, wee. Ooh, that's about 5 times I done burped. And then I burped on the other end. So 4 from the mouth and 1 from the mouth.
That don't count.
Yes, it do. It's a hole.
You got that for the bird.
That's 6. 7.
You ain't gonna see me.
I ain't cheating you. That's 7. Oh,
that's fake. That's fake.
No, it ain't. That's a bird.
That's fake.
No, it ain't. Oh, it bounced me up.
That's fake.
Oh, wait. Oh, I burped so hard at the other end, it bounced me out the chair. Oh, Lord, Mz.Gums.
I believe that. I'm a two-flying girl.
Wait. Y'all out there, y'all see what's going on. It's coming up. He over there fool with this chicken. That chicken ain't gonna do nothing but make him go quack, quack, quack. And this drink is making me go. Yeah, man. I told you can't do that with Mz.Gums. Mz.Gums love y'all. Mz.Gums been had some problems the last couple of days. I tell you. Wait.
I'm glad you didn't have your teeth in. They want to jump out your mouth.
Wait. I told you they can't do nothing with Mz.Gums. Mz.Gums done did it. Here it come again. Wait. Don't try to strain it at you. You can't do that with Mz.Gums. Mz.Gums doing this. Mz.Gums in that thing. That's so fake.
That ain't fake.
Oh, man. Wait. Y'all know I'm getting him. Y'all tell him. Send the views in. Write comments on there. Tell him he can't do nothing with Mz.Gums. I was so bad and sad the other day. I was at work, and when I looked, they had repoed my car. But they can't do nothing with Mz.Gums. They repoed it, and I went back and depoted it. I went and got it back. I'm back on the road again. Only thing I had to do was just glue my bumper.
Oh, I got one question. What does depot mean?
Depot means I went depoted it from them. They repoed it, and I depoted it. Right back to 5121 Magdale Road. They can't do nothing with gum. I'm successful. They don't believe it. Just shake. Oh, don't let Burp you doing. Let me see. I'm gonna show y'all this Burp. I feel it coming. It's gonna be like when I hit that railroad the other day. Oh, Lord, it's bouncing. Oh, calm down. Ooh wee. Oh Lord, I bounced. Oh, I burped and I farted at the same time. Oh Lord, Mz.Gums farted so hard. I just bounced up out the chair. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's very erotic. I just love my show. Mz.Gums is on the road. You can't, let me tell y'all out there, they laugh because I got repoed. But you know what? When they laugh, that just made me more successful. That made me, and what's so bad about it, the folks repoed me, but then I went down there and got the whole car paid off. So can't nobody repo it no more because I went in there and I did a depot. Yay! I farted. Y'all, he trying to make himself burp, but he can't do like Mz.Gums. I done already whooped him. Man, I done whooped. Look at you sitting on there trying to make yourself burp. Man, that ain't no fun.
No.
Ain't no fun. It ain't no fun. I just sit in the sun, cause it ain't no fun. I sit in the sun, and I just wanna find me a big fat gun. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at him, y'all, trying to make himself burp. Mz.Gums done burped and farted. Ain't that terrible? Oh, Lord. I thought I farted, but I shit it. Oh, my God. I shit it. I done shit it. Oh, I done shit it. Oh, I shit it on myself. Give me some paper towels, y'all. Oh, Lord. Oh, it done come through my gown. Oh, it done come through my gown. Oh, I done shit on myself. It's going on the floor down my leg. Oh, look at that. Oh, I shit on myself. Oh, I did it, y'all. That's so sad. Oh, look on the floor, y'all. Look. Oh, Wiggie, you stepping in it. Oh, Lord, Mz.Gums did it. I thought I farted, but I did it. Oh, my God. Whew. I can't stand myself. Ooh, I gotta get some air freshener here, y'all. Oh, that shit's so bad. It smells like cow shit. Oh. That smells like cow shit. I cow shit it. I done did it. Y'all know I done whooped him. I whooped him so bad, I thought I farted, but I did it. I'm through, guys. I really have enjoyed you guys. Boy, hush. You sound like a coward.
You smell like one.
Where?
You smell like a dead. You smell like you dead or something.
I am dead.
Oh Lord, they done took you down.
Yeah, I'm dead. My intestines hanging out my ass.
She headed home to the land where the gates closed, baby.
Oh no, them gates gonna open up. They gonna swing open. Oh, when the gates swing open.
We ain't coming for no solo. You come here for
I'm gonna walk on in, y'all.
Well, you better go to walking.
Did it all. I done think on my gut. I done think on my gut. I did it on my gut. I thought I spoiled it, but I did it.
So Miss Gummy.
Yes.
So Miss Gummy.
That's right. It's big place, that's right.
So you taking off, huh? You finna take off like a rocket.
Sure as I tell you.
No, man. You gonna have the streets cutting up, huh?
No, did you see that helicopter over this house yesterday?
No, I ain't see you.
Yes, you did. You was outside.
No.
They was looking for me.
No, man.
Yeah, they were looking for Mz.Gums yesterday, the helicopter and all. I tell you the truth. Then when I went to depot my car today, I locked my keys in the car with the car running. Now who would do that?
You?
The day Friday the 13th, Mz.Gums done had so much bad luck. I just don't know what the problem.
Oh, Lord.
And then I woke up and there was a big ass rat in my car. In my bed. Not my car, my bed. And he was tickling with my ears. I say, you little bastard, you. I'm gonna get you. And I got my dog cut me and walk this long. I'm from down here in this old south. Getting ready to go to La La Land in Cali. I'm finna go to Cali.
You finna go to Cali, huh?
California.
You must don't know the cost of living in California.
I don't care.
Mz.Gums
gonna be in Hollywood. She don't care how much the cost is.
You ain't bred it up.
It's time for Mz.Gums to shine. And Mz.Gums finna shine.
Shine. You ain't even get.
I'm finna go through my breakthrough. I done went through my downfall to get to.
Your downfall, huh?
That right.
You finna pick back up.
I'ma buy what I want and what I need.
You gonna be the neighborhood hero.
You better say that. Mz.Gums, love you guys. It has been nice here with you tonight. And Mz.Gums always gonna win whatever challenge it shall be. Because I am a challenge.
It's been a pleasure now.
Oh, yes. Today when I left out of Macomb, I had that sucker in the wind.
Oh, no, not in the
I
wind,
was
man.
in the wind. When I hit
No,
them,
man.
when I jumped off of 55 to get on 98,
No, man.
that sucker was in the wind.
You ain't even burping, huh?
Yes, I am too. Hush, Wiggie. Hush, Wiggie. Hush.
What you hear? UFO?
No, hush. Let me take one more swallow. I'm serious. Hush. Now listen, for real. Oh, Mz.Gums fought it. Oh, Mz.Gums fought it. She thought she fought it, but I did it again. Oh, it hurt my booty. Yeah! Oh, it hurt my booty.
It sounded right. Let's wrap it up.
Mz.Gums, love you guys. Always remember, peace, and know that you are being loved by Mz.Gums. It will get better. I won the challenge, but you know what, guys? If you out there, wait a minute. Guys, if you out there, comment and say who won the challenge. Say who won the burping challenge. It's either me or him. Come on. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment and tell him who won the burping challenge. Please.
Not subscribe.
It's subscribe, it's burp, it's subscribe, it's likes, and it's submit. Everybody, please come on here and submit. I want you to go on and like and get your comment.
Hey, so this
love you guys. Peace.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Comment who won, cause I know.
Yeah, comment who won. Who you think won? We don't have nobody here to judge. So please comment and tell us who won the burping challenge. We will call out to do a burping challenge. Whoever calls us out there, you need to comment and say who won this challenge.
If you say I won, I'm gonna shout you out in the next video.
No.
I'm gonna shout you out in the next video. I got you.
Oh,
that's on me. That's on me.
Whatever.
That's on me.
Love you guys.
All right.